Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to discuss the best Twilio alternative for 2025 and how to set it up in Go High Level. If you're looking for something simple, affordable and reliable, Lead Connector could be the perfect choice for you. It's easy to use and has all the features you need to run your business smoothly. But before we jump into the details, I have a special offer for you. Normally, if you go through Go High Level's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Go High Level offers many features, and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth $900 plus, but you'll get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about why Lead Connector is a great replacement for Twilio. Twilio can be tricky to set up because it's more technical, but Lead Connector is built right into Go High Level, so it's much easier to use. Another big plus is the support system. If you ever run into a problem, Go High Level is there to help. They provide real-time support through Zoom calls, so you can get the help you need right away. On the other hand, Twilio mostly uses email-based support. This can be slow and pretty frustrating when you're trying to fix something quickly, but with Lead Connector, the support team is much more responsive and can solve issues faster. Now, let me show you how to set up Lead Connector in your Go High Level account. First, log into your Go High Level agency account and choose the sub account where you want to set up your phone services. Once you're in, head over to the Settings tab on the left-hand menu. From there, click on Phone Numbers. This is where you handle everything related to your phone setup. You can add new numbers, verify caller IDs, or set up number pools to track calls. On this page, you'll see an option to add a new phone number. Just click on the Add Number button and a drop-down menu with 3 options will appear. Add phone number, Add number pool, and add verified caller ID. If you choose add phone number, you can get a new number. This number lets you make calls and send text messages easily. Once you click the add phone number option, a pop-up window will show up. This window has fields where you can pick the country for your number and narrow down the choices. By default, the country is set to the United States, but you can change it if you need to. Then, when you click the filter button, it helps you narrow things down even more. You can sort by the type of number and what it does, so it's super simple to find exactly what you need. Below the country selection, you'll see a list of phone numbers you can choose from. Each number shows important details like the number itself, where it's located, its capabilities, whether it's local or toll-free, and how much it costs per month. If you want to see new options, just hit the refresh results button to update the list. Each number has a checkbox next to it, so you can pick the one you like. Once you've made your choice, scroll down and click the Proceed to Buy button to finish your purchase. After you buy a number, it will show up under the Phone Numbers tab. From there, you can set it up the way you want. You can turn on call recording or add forwarding options to make it work for you. Once your Lead Connector phone number is ready, you can start managing calls and messages right away. Just head to the Usage Summary section to keep track of all your incoming and outgoing calls. You'll see call logs, message delivery updates, and even a summary of how much you've used this month. Additionally, if you want to turn on call recording, go to Phone Numbers, choose the number you want to adjust, and click Edit. You'll see the option to enable call recording there. Another great feature of Lead Connector is the ability to manage messaging analytics. Within the Messaging Analytics tab, you can track message performance, monitor response rates, and identify trends that can help optimize your communication strategy. One important thing to know about Lead Connector is compliance. If you're using a toll-free number, you're all set and won't need verification. But for other numbers, you might need to complete a quick verification process to follow the rules. This process is simple and can be done through the Trust Center in Go High Level. It helps make sure your business meets all the messaging compliance requirements without any hassle. This is important because non-compliant messaging can result in heavy penalties for your business. So use the Trust Center to ensure your messaging is compliant and avoid any potential issues. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful in understanding how to set up and manage Lead Connector in Go High Level. If you want to try Go High Level, click the link in the description. If you use my affiliate link, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you'll gain free access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those 30 days. On top of that, you'll receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.